Part 1. How to enroll your fingerprint in Multibio 800. To enroll your fingerprint, press OK button, then go to User Management tab. Select New User. Go to User Role. Select User, if enrolling user. Select Admin, if enrolling admin. Press OK button to go back. Select Fingerprint tab, then choose which finger you wish to enroll. Place your fingerprint 3 times. Go back to the main window to test your fingerprint. Part 2. How to enroll user's face in Multibio 800. In the New User menu, press the down button to go to the Face menu. Follow the voice prompt, and focus your eyes inside the green box. Go back to the main window to test your enrolled face in the device. Part 3. How to enroll ID card in the device. In the New User menu, press the down button to go to the badge number menu, click the M/OK button, then tap the proximity card in the fingerprint sensor to enroll. Go back to the main menu to test your enrolled card.